your girl Takira and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know that I've been gone for a really long time. I just have so much crap going on that if I sit here and try to tell you what's really going on, you're gonna be like, girl, I would have been gone. But anyways, I know this video has been requested for a really long time, so I finally decided to film it. And this is how to access the Pass website. Okay, now I just want to say thank you to everybody that has been reaching out, going from like YouTube to my Instagram, and they've been DMing me and asking me questions in regards of this website. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, please go ahead and watch my previous video, which is how to pass your cosmetology exam in 2020, my experience. Watch that before you watch this video, because this is part 2 and this is what you guys have been requesting for me to film. And yeah, here it is. Okay, so first and foremost, I do want to apologize because I did try to film this video before and it just wasn't it. Once you failed your cosmetology exam, they usually send you an access code to your address. Now, I am in Florida, so it literally took like 2 weeks after I like failed that they sent me the access code. Obviously, I'm gonna teach you how to access the website without the access code, and it's very easy. The website just looks complicated. Also, I forgot to tell you guys that you don't need to use a MacBook or any kind of computer. You can actually access the Pass website through your iPhone and your iPad. And I know that because I used it on my phone. Every time I would like had time to just review something, I would go through use my phone. But obviously I'm not going to share how to use it through your phone because I'm recording with my phone. But it's pretty much the same thing if you were to use a computer, your phone, or an iPad. You should be able to access the website. Now, I tried to show you guys, like I would screenshot what page you're supposed to look at before having access, if that makes sense. And you guys kept telling me on Instagram that it just wasn't working for you. Sometimes when you go on this website and keep attempting to access it, it'll just block you and it won't let you go in for a few minutes. So my suggestion to you is just give it a few minutes, refresh the page, and try again. It's not complicated. Just the website itself just looks very complicated, okay? And I don't want you to freak out because it's not that big of a deal. The website is passpass.com, and this is what it looks like. And right on the top it says enter your access code, and you see how it says in parentheses found on your postcard. That's what I was telling you about, that if you failed, they're gonna send you a little card with a temporary access code, and that's how you get in, right? But if you do not have an access code, you're gonna go ahead and press sign in, and then it says under that, using the password you created. Obviously, I have a way to do this. So you're gonna press sign in, and this is what you're gonna see. It says, please sign in, put your email, your password, and the bottom says, no password yet, get your free trial, and then it says, forgot your password, click here. Now, you guys have been actually putting your email and password, and obviously you don't have an access code, so you're not gonna be able to get in. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna press forgot your password. You're not gonna press the green one, you're gonna press the blue, forgot your password. And you're gonna see this. Okay? You can go ahead and try to access this way by going ahead and putting your email. So you're gonna put in your email, send password. That's one way to access this website. Now, if that doesn't work, we're gonna go back to the same page right here. the same page we were just on. And you're gonna press no password yet, get your free trial. And this is what you're gonna see. Free trial, access code from postcard. Don't freak out, okay? Are you ready? Don't freak out. You're gonna press misplace your postcard. Click here. This is what you wanna see. It says misplace your postcard, will send you your access code. You're going to fill all of this out for me, okay? So let's go ahead and fill it out together. So you're gonna put your last name, your first name, and then your numeric address. So just like the first few numbers of your address, and then your zip code, and then your email. Okay? Oops, that's my, hold on, let me fix this. Okay, once you see, once you fill all of this out, this is very important, I need you to pay attention. You're not gonna press send code. Don't press send code because it's not gonna work. And this is where you guys keep messing up and keep DMing me and keep freaking out about. It's not going to work if you press send code because you don't have a code and you're not gonna get a temporary password because you have never had access to this website, right? So you're going to press continue to free trial. That's what you want to press. Once you press continue to free trial, you're gonna see this weird, the same page that we were at, right? But you're actually going to receive an email. So let's go ahead and check our email. Okay, obviously I went ahead and I went on my email address and you guys can see right here, it says account@passpasspass.com, and then on the top it says special code notification. So once you fill all that stuff out, this is the email you're going to receive, and it's going to give you a temporary password. As you can see right there, it says the following access code has been located for Takira J. Rosa, and then there's like the numeric, like the password they give me, and then it says please sign up for your free trial. So you're going to press right here, that link, and then you're going to fill that out, whatever code it said. Hold on, let me see if I can actually log in. So I'm just copying the code, pasting it right here, and you should log in. Obviously, it says right here, activation code already in use because I already, have access to it. So that's why it's not gonna work for me, but it should work for you. Okay, I don't need you guys to be freaking out because there's no need to. Okay, and if you have any more questions, don't talk to me. I'm kidding. You can definitely DM me. I know that I've been gone for a long time and there's a lot of changes, a lot of things happening behind the scene, but I have like a lot of content coming up. I hope you guys like my makeup. I'll show you a close makeup look because this took a really long time, and obviously I'm in my son's room, so I'm sorry for the background, but look at my makeup. I'm really proud of how it looks because I don't wear like a lot of makeup like that anymore. I used to, but I've been kind of slowing down, and I'm just really happy how this turned out. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys like this look as much as I enjoyed making it. Yeah, and if you ever want a tutorial makeup, I might just do one. Okay, let's go back to the video. That is it, guys. I hope that this video helps you access the website. And once again, if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I know that I've been getting a lot of messages and I've been wanting to do this video, but due to life and the weather, I just haven't really been feeling good, so that's why I've just been telling you guys to DM me and I'll help you through there, because it's easier, and you have a better chance getting a hold of me if you like DM me on Instagram. So if you have any more questions, please DM me at takira.rosa and I will help you. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I wish you nothing but good luck on your test, and let me know if this helped on the comment section below. And as always, I'm sending positive vibes your way, and I'll see you guys on my next video.